Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, set up cross-ventilation and lay down a disposable cloth, safety first. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator. You will inhale fumes otherwise. Pour thinner into a metal jar and measure a 1:3 thinner to paint ratio for the first test. This gives flow without breaking the binder. Once mixed, stir slowly to avoid splashing. You want an even solution. Make sure to label the jar and keep lids close. Thinner evaporates quickly and changes consistency. Now refine the mix and apply. You test on a scrap canvas. If it beads, add 10% thinner. If it runs too much, add a touch of oil medium. Once satisfied, load your brush and use S-shaped strokes to lay the paint smoothly. This distributes the solvent evenly and prevents streaks. Make sure to wipe the brush between colors to avoid muddying. Always keep a separate jar for cleaning and another for active glazing. That avoids contaminating the working mix. Finish by letting thinned layers become tacky before adding richer layers. Remember fat over lean to prevent cracking. Once done, pour leftover thinner into a sealed metal can and place used rags into a labeled metal container with a tight lid. This prevents spontaneous combustion. If you see skinning, poor adhesion, or cracking, reduce thinner and increase the oil medium slightly next session. This restores binder strength. Finally, ventilate until smell dissipates, and wash hands thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.